Everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how you run a Python script in your Visual Studio Code. So basically, I have a Visual Studio Code that already I took here, and how I will run a Python script in that. So basically, what I am going to do is I will create a new file here. Then what I am going to do is I will save this one into hello python hello.py. Okay, so here it's already. So do you want to install the recommended extension for python? So what I'm going to do is I will install this. So it's it's automatically installing that one. Then what I'm going to do is I will write something here, print, and it's export here. Oh, okay. Select Python interpreter. So macOS. So I don't know whether I have Python here. So I just provide that. Reload window. So I'm just going to add something here. Select Python interpreter. So I didn't have the find. No, I cannot find anything. So this is another way of doing that. So what I'm going to do is I need to run this. That's the only thing I need, right? So what I want to do is I will save this one, and I am trying to run this. Is there any way I can run this? Here I have nothing, right? So what are the ways I will going to run this? So here I'm in MacBook Pro 2021 Paramban. So I need to go to the particular CD. So here everyone can see that my Python here, right? So in shell, how we will run that Python shell, um, Python shell command to run. So okay, so basically what I am going to do is shell command with Python. So this is another way. So another way we can run is code runner. So I am just installing this code runner here and enable. So if we are going here and we are run code, so it's run that particular Python file. So I got the hello. So this is the easiest way, just install the code runner. But what I need is like I need to run my Python in my terminal. So this is another way. So how I will run that? If I Python 3, okay, so Python 3 already installed. So I need to exit from the window here, Control plus D to exit. Okay, so here whether I am in my right folder or just here, I'm in a right folder. So I can run using the Python command here. Python, what is the file name? hello.py. So if I run this, hello. So it's very simple. So that's all for Python running. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. So basically this code runner will make you run everything by just using the run code, and also you can use the Alt Shift N or something like that. So if I am Alt Shift N, I guess it's run output here. or Control Shift N. I don't know which one we need, or Windows. Okay, run command or something like that. Okay, yeah, anyway, Alt Shift Enter, I guess that's the way we will run that particular clear output. Alt Shift N. No, yeah, something is there. I don't know the exact one. Anyway, this one will work. Run code. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching.